Hello, children of CBSE 8th standard, who is following this academic year 2024-25 and NCERT syllabus. I'll just write it here so that you can follow it very fast. CBSE students, who is following 8th standard student, and the chapter name is Factorisation. And this particular syllabus is NCERT. And the academic year is 2024-25. So what we are going to see here is exercise from the chapter, exercise 12.1, question number 3, and Roman letter 2. This is what we are going to see. I'll just show in the book, NCERT book. So this is the question. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. I'll just snip it and put it in this my Microsoft OneNote so that the students, you are very clear that we are just going to give the answer for this question now. Okay. The solution. If you are a fastest student, then you follow this video. Okay. Solution is this 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. You can group any of the terms. This is term 1. Okay. And minus 6x is term 2. I'm repeating, 15xy is term 1, minus 6x is term 2, plus 5y is term 3, and minus 2 is term 4. So we can just group it by comparing the numbers. Okay. So can we just do it? Group 1 is made by group 1. I'll just write it in the shortcut form. Group 1 is grouping T1 and T2. This is what I'm going to do now. What is that? 15xy minus 6x. So everything I'm just putting inside the bracket. This can be written in the form of, what is the common factor here? 15 can be written in the prime factor form as, this is not divisible by 2, the least prime factor 2, but it is divisible by next least prime factor 3. 3 into, then the prime factors are 3 into 5 into x into y. Minus 6 can be written as 2 into 3 in the prime factor form into x is left out. Here if you see this, the common factors are 3 is common here and x is common here. So when I take 3x outside, we have left with the 5 and y in the first term. So I'll write 5y. Then this minus symbol, we have to put it as it is. Then after taking this 3 and x, we are left with the number 2. Okay, that means 15xy minus 6x is written in the form of 3x into 5y minus 2. So let us take it as equation number 1. And the second group 2, GP2 I am writing in the shortcut form, that is, we are going to group it term 3 and term 4. So what are term 3 and term 4? It is 5y minus 2. Okay, 5y minus 2 we are going to make it. So 5 can be written as 5 into y. Okay, minus 2 is left out. So here we have no other common factor, so we'll write it as 5y minus 2. So 5y minus 2, we are just writing it as it is, equation number 2. Now our original algebraic expression, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2, which is equal to, by adding this equation number 1 and 2, we can just bring it. So that means 15xy plus 6y is our group 1. And 5y plus 2 is our group 2. In fact, it is GP1 plus GP2. What is GP1? It is, you can just see here, GP1 is from the equation 1. It is 3x into 5y minus 2. Okay. So I'll just make it as a square bracket here. I'll start with the square bracket and then this is group 1. So group 1 we have written it as, okay. Then group 2 is plus 5y minus 2. How this is written? Referring equation 1 and 2. So we need to write this. So now in this, what we have written, this is our original algebraic expression is written in the form of, now this is revised term 1. Revised term 1. What is revised term 1? It is 3x into 5y minus 2 plus revised term 2, RT2, revised term 2. Now in this revised term 1 and revised term 2, what is the common factor here? Yes, it is 5y minus 2 is here, 5y minus 2 is there also. Okay. So 5y minus 2, we are taking it outside. And after taking 5y minus 2, what is left out here? I'm just underlining 5y minus 2 in red color. That is a common factor here. So what is left out here, I'll just mark with blue color. So here we have 3x. So I'm just writing 3x is left out from the RT1. Then this plus, as it is, we have to write it. Then 5y minus 2, when we are taking it out, balance it is left out 1. You have to take it as 1. Okay. That means our answer is 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2 is factorized in terms of 5y minus 2 as factor 1. This is f1 and this is into f2. So conclusion, what is that? Thus, f1 equal to 5y minus 2 and f2 equal to 3x plus 1 are the factors of the given algebraic expression. I'm writing it in shortcut form, AE, that is, what is that? 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Okay, with this, the answer is over. And if you are a smart student, then you need to go for this self-evaluation scheme. Okay, what is that self-evaluation? That means we need to verify this. Verification. How to verify this? So now we need to find this, all the factors when we are multiplying, are we getting the original algebraic expression or not? So f1 into f2, we have found two factors. When we multiply that, what is f1? This is 5y minus 2 into what is f2? This is, what is f2? This is 3x plus 1. So within bracket 5y minus 2 into within brackets 3x plus 1. So this is looking like, what is this? This is our binomial 1, B1. This is our binomial 2. So binomial 1 into binomial 2. As per the learnings, what you have learned from your algebraic expressions and identities. From this chapter, algebraic expression and identities. From this chapter, what you have learned, one concept is called binomial multiplied by binomial is equal to the first term of the binomial 1. First term of binomial 1. I'm writing in shortcut form. FT means first term of binomial 1 into binomial 2. Then the symbol we have to put it, this is minus. Okay, minus is the binomial 1. Then second term of binomial. I'll just write it in the other way so that in any form you can just make it clear. Term 1 of binomial 1 into binomial 2. Then minus symbol is there here. Okay. So minus. Then term 2 of binomial 1 into binomial 2. This is how we have to write it. So this means first term of binomial. What is that? 5y. Okay. We have 5y here. And into binomial 2 is what? This is 3x plus 1. Then the minus symbol is coming from this place. Okay. This minus symbol is coming from this place. So minus term 2 of binomial 1 is what is that? 2. Term 2 of binomial 1 is 2 into binomial 2. What is binomial 2? It is 3x plus 1. So now it is very easy for you to get the answer. So 5y into 3x, it is 15xy. And 5y into 1 is plus 5y. And this is minus 2 into 3x is minus 6x. And minus 2 into 1 is, this is minus 2. Okay, are we not getting it? Yes. So which is our original algebraic expression? You can just see 15xy is the first term. We are getting this is the first term of our original algebraic expression. And next one is we need to get minus 6x, whether it is there. Yes, this is the second term of our original algebraic expression. And third expression is plus 5y. Are we getting that? Yes, this is our third algebraic expression. Third term of the original algebraic expression. And finally, the fourth term is minus 2. So this is the fourth term. Thus, my answer is verified as okay. Okay. And some children, they are asking why we cannot group the first term and the third term. You can group any way, but it is very easy to work out like this. Shall we see that? 15, this is alternate method. 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. This can be grouped as this is your term 1, this is your term 2, this is your term 3, and this is your term 4. Originally, we have grouped this T1 and T2. Now, what we are grouping it, T1 and T3. Then we will group, I'll just put it in the red color, T2 and T4 will group it. So that means this can be written in the form of, what is your group 1? 15xy and T3 is plus 5y. We are just writing it like this, okay? Then minus, we will take it outside. Then the second term is 6x. And when we are grouping this T4, there is a minus, we already taken it out here. The minus, we have taken it out here. So we have to write it as plus 2. Okay. This is equal to 15xy and 5y. Just compare the number part, that is 15 and 5. What is the common factor here? This is 5. And variable part, you see this, xy is there in the term 1 and y is there in the other term. So y is the common factor. So 5y is the common factor. When we take it out, we get 15. When we are taking 5 outside, it is 3. Okay, then it is x is left out. And 5y, when we are taking it out, we are getting only 1. Minus is written as it is. So in this now, I'm sorry, I have just written before writing the common factor. Okay. Now 6x and 2. What is common factor here is, this is 2 only. When you take out 2, we have 3x is there plus 1 is balance. Okay. Now, are you able to see this common factor between these two terms, 3x1 and 3x1? These are the common factor. So we will now take it out. 3x plus 1 is taken out. And when we taken it out, we are left with 5y. I'm writing it as 5y. Then this minus symbol, as it is, we are just bringing it here, minus. And this 2 is there. So 2 we will just write it. So are we getting it? 3x plus 1, 5y minus 2. So what was our original factor? Our original factor is also 3x plus 1, and this is what our original answer. That's what we have used to verify this. 3x plus 1, that is binomial 2, and 5y minus 2. Slightly if I go above, you can just see this. Factor 1 is 5y minus 2. That's what we have written here. 5y minus 2. And factor 2 is 3x plus 1. So that's what we are also getting it here. So whichever way you are grouping the original algebraic expression term, how many terms are there, whatever terms are there, if you are able to group it, then you will be getting the same answer. But please ensure that you do the self-evaluation. Why we are doing self-evaluation? Okay, because when you write the final exam, you can only check whether all the steps whatever you done is correct, and the answer when you are bringing the final answer whether it is correct or not, you can only check. So please do it with the self evaluation, that is called as verification process. So verification process, which already we have done it here. Okay, what is verification process? This is the process. Whatever we have written here. So F1 into F2, when you multiply that, we are doing this term 1 of binomial 1 into binomial 2 minus term 2 of binomial 1 into binomial 2. After that, we are bringing this step, which is 5y into overall 3x plus 1 minus 2 into overall 3x plus 1. We are getting our original algebraic expression as 15x5 plus 5y minus 6x minus 2. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my channel. If you are one of the person watching my YouTube channel Max by DPAV, after subscribing, if you are watching this, if you are already subscribed, thank you. But if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. And please press like button so that other students or teachers or parents, anybody who is interested, they will be able to see that someone has liked this video. So there is something interesting in this video, like that they will be coming to know, and then it will be encouraging for them also follow this. And if you are not one person who has not pressed the bell icon button, okay, so please press the bell icon button so that you will get the notification of my new videos. And if you have any question, any clarification, please put it in the comment section. And if you feel that this video is going to help someone of your school, like your friend or this thing, please share it. please press share button. And if you are a person who do not know how to press the share button, how to watch some video, YouTube video, I'll just give one this thing. This is some of the videos which I just follow this. So when I select this video, normally you will be seeing the video like this. Okay, I just put it in this place. So this is the video form, and here you can just see this. This is CBSE 8th factors in the form in the below. You can just see here CBSE 8th factorization exercise 12.1 question 3 3rd of December 2024, like that is there. Then this is the channel name Max by DPAB, and this is your like button. Okay, if you press the like button, because this is a new video, people are yet to see the video and then press the like button. You can just press like button. So number of like, if it is coming, you are encouraging me to create more videos. And if you are okay with this video, and if you want to share this to some of your listeners, please click on this share button and you will get the create post like this done on this. You can just share this. This is the HTTPS full colon backslash and blah blah blah, everything is there. So press this copy button. You will be able to copy the link, and then you can send it through WhatsApp or Facebook or LinkedIn, email, or whatever it is, whatever you are having, anything you'll be able to share it. So I'll just show you, copy this, and I'll just open WhatsApp in this place. Now WhatsApp is opening. Okay, open WhatsApp, and I can just go and paste the link like this. So this is one health by DPAB. In this, if I press this, then here I have pasted this. Now if I press this, it will go there. So now this particular video is shared to health by DPAB in that group. If you want to share it to some of your friends, then you can take their number and then send it to WhatsApp if they follow WhatsApp, or you can send it through Facebook, or you can send it through email also. Okay. Thank you. Take care. Bye.